Hello, everybody. Hello, my beautiful, beautiful people. How was your Christmas? Hope it was fun. Hope it was good. God bless you. Èmi wa tó ṣe Christmas ọdún yìí ló tún máa ṣe ti kíni tọdún tó ń bọ̀ nínú ayọ̀ àti àlàáfíà bá ṣe péjú pésẹ̀ sí bíbáyìí láṣọ ṣe máa péjú pésẹ̀ níwòye ọdún tó ń bọ̀ pẹ̀lú gbọ́lọ́. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi. Ó ti di wóró sí wóró, ó ti di wóró sí wóró, ó ti di wóró sí wóró. We listen, we don't shake it, we don't judge you. We listen, we don't shake it, we don't judge you. Mo tún repeat it. We listen so that ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá fẹ́ come for me. Kẹ́ tètè gbọ́n sí pé we listen. Disclaimer nìyẹn. We don't shake it, we don't judge. Lórí Ojuabe àti Akeem ọkọ àwọn single mother bàbá ẹgbà ìyìn wa. Ẹ wò látànà èmi ní sùúrù kí gbogbo ẹ marinate dáadáa kó marinate dáadáa ká tó wá ganu sí like ìgbà tá a kọ́kọ́ ganu sí yẹn àti mọ nǹkan tó ń lọ àti mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ bọ̀ nísìn gbogbo ẹ ti marinate dáadáa gbogbo ata ti dùn iyọ̀ ti dùn gbogbo ọbẹ̀ ti sọ dáadáa ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ó dà bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe fún wa ní Christmas giveaway ilé ó wà òkè bọ̀ ògùn máa pa yín tó bá jẹ́ pé content lẹ́ ń ṣe but aside from that ṣe rí ọ̀rọ̀ yín àbọ̀ abá ni ṣe ti understand ọ̀rọ̀ yín méjèèjì àbọ̀ abá but lórí nǹkan gangan contest tó dá gbogbo wà láìlẹ̀ contest tá a mọ̀ pé wọ́n á jáde tó lọ jáde lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ọkọ ọlọ́kọ ẹ jẹ́ àgànú sí yẹn tá a bá ganu sí ọlọ́run kan máa bínú èmi tí mo ti ṣẹnu bíi kẹ́tù sílẹ̀ tí ìbá ganu sí ọlọ́run kan máa bínú ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ǹjẹ́ ẹ ti gbọ́ wípé gbọ́kọ́lọ́kọ́ àṣẹ gbogbo èèyàn kan gbọ́kọ́lọ́kọ́ lórí social media ṣe rí àwa tá a máa wọ̀jọba ọ̀run àjù mẹ́ta lọ èmi ni number 1 kí ló dé ẹ̀yin èèyàn ẹ kọ́kọ́ wo kinní kan kí ló dé tó jẹ́ pé ọ̀rọ̀ ọkọ ọlọ́kọ ló máa ń dí wàhálà alẹ́ lórí social media wọ́n gbọ́kọ èèyàn báyìí ẹ̀yin spíkà ẹ̀ tún ń gbọ́kọ ọlọ́kọ kí ló dé mo máa ń sọ kinní kan pé tó o bá jẹ́ obìnrin tó wà strong lórí social media wọ́n máa gba pátá ẹ̀ that is it wọ́n máa gba pátá ẹ̀ ni kì í ṣe pé kinní tó o kì í ṣe obìnrin tó wà strong lórí social media ẹ̀ àwa tá à ní inbox gan wọ́n ń kọ́mẹ̀ntì síbẹ̀ wípé afẹ́fẹ́ yín ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ilé ọkọ ẹ rí pé mo máa ń ṣe disclaimer ilé ọkọ ni mo wá o tó bá dẹ̀ ti ní 50 billion kò sí wàhálà tó o bá ti ní mọ́ ọ lọ. Ẹ máa gbàdúrà kò sí máa ṣọ́ra ọmọ ẹ̀mí Ojuabe ẹ dán nǹkan wò ó àṣẹ ẹ̀yin dẹ̀ sọ pé ó sì lọ gbọ́kọ ọlọ́kọ ẹ̀yin náà wáyọ̀ dùn ọkọ àti Ojuabe ó ṣe mọ nǹkan tó máa ń wà ṣègìní sí mi ń pa yín ní pé gbogbo ìgbà tí bá ti rí àwọn fídíò yín 13 twist 13 wine 13 ṣègìní number 1 mo kọ́kọ́ mọ̀ there was a time tí mo rò pé ẹ lọ́kọ ńlé ìgbà wo sígbà wo ni gbogbo ẹ̀ ti sáré dàrú but tí bá wá rí àwọn fídíò yìí tweet ẹ sọ pé single ìwé ẹnu tí wọ́n ń confuse pé tó bá single do you think it's appropriate for you to announce it online that you're single? Fine, you're a beautiful woman, right? But I don't really have respect for a woman that is twisting and turning and whining online and showing, I mean, feel like ọkùnrin gidi wo ló fẹ́ rí lórí social media. There are exceptions but at the same time when I see Ojuabe ìyẹn profile ẹ̀ títí láyọ̀ ṣe nìyẹn you will see her trying to seduce, and I say, Shomo, there's okay for it. You don't even need to do all that. So to understand, you are already beautiful. You are already beautiful. So even if you are yourself, you be yourself. There are high-class men that will still come and approach you. You don't have to wear tangerine, skippy clothes, go ama lock, go ama fojuse, go ama farashe, that kind of thing. I feel like it's too childish. That is how I feel about you. When I see you twisting, lẹ́yìn àdúrà ọmọ mélòó. Táwọn ọmọ ẹ ti dàgbà tó tó yẹn. And you are still twisting. It's sending a different message. You will not get the, I'm just saying, he doesn't speak well of a grown woman of that age with grown children wearing tantini and twisting online because she's looking for a man. It doesn't make any sense. Even if you are single, you have to carry yourself with class. But you might be with class there. That is it. So where you are, kini tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí. Ẹjọ́ tí bá ganu sí ẹjọ́ ẹ má wà fún mi o. Ẹ má wà fún ṣe mọ̀ pé ó ní bí alájà ẹlẹ́yà tí mo ṣe ń ronú. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, ó yàtọ̀ sí bẹ́yìn ṣe ń ronú. Èmi máa pínre mo máa láre, máa pínre mo máa láre. Lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ọkọ ọlọ́kọ tó jágbà yìí ni mo wá fẹ́ ganu sínsìn. There are some things táwọn èèyàn ò rí lórí ojú abẹ tó ń bóbìnrin kan dulé ọkọ ẹ̀. And there are some things táwọn èèyàn miss. First to begin with, ṣé rí obìnrin tó wá sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn alábòsí. Obìnrin tó sọ pé ojú abẹ ń bò ń du ọkọ òun gbé àwọn ọmọ ojú abẹ lọ sí school ẹ ń ṣe kinní kan ń bò ń du ọkọ òun. Alábòsí. If it wasn't Ojuabe, would you have come out? That is it. See, let me tell you one thing. A man is a man. Ọkọ òun dọ̀bálẹ̀ fojú abẹ, ọkọ òun ṣe kinní kan fojú abẹ lóògùn fún orí ẹ̀ ò pé. The man is a fool. He's cheating on both of you. If you don't know, let me tell you now. Àbí? Àti wá àtọ́jú abẹ. Ọkọ ẹ̀ ń yan àlè ń ta. Ìwọ ń bá obìnrin yẹn jà. Make it make sense. You're a fool. A man single-handedly went to her inbox, told her, ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn jọ wọ̀ láàrin àwọn méjèèjì. He neglected you as if you don't exist. Now you are fighting the woman. Ṣojú abẹ ló gbé rẹ̀ wá bọ́kùnrin yẹn ni. Ẹ jẹ́ àsọ̀rọ̀ síbi tọ́rọ̀ wà. This man is a cheat. If he's not getting it from Ojuabe, he's getting it from another woman. So, Kofi, Iliaye, this is what one problem you have. You are not focusing on your marriage. You are focusing on the side chick your husband has. Okay, ó sì bá gbogbo agreement láàrin Ojuabe àtọkọ ẹ̀ jẹ́. Does that mean that the man will not still go and find somebody else? That man is already tired of you. For him to be prostrating for Ojuabe, lẹ́yìn ọmọ mélòó. For him to be taking Ojuabe's children to school. For him to be doing everything for Ojuabe. Kó tó di pé Ojuabe sọ pé, marry your wife and marry me. Tó fẹ́ fẹ́ra wọn sílé. Òun kò ń ṣoògùn ọ̀rọ̀ ọkọ yẹn ti fi ẹ́lẹ̀ tipẹ́tipẹ́. That man don't leave you. You just don't know. He's just physically present in the house and is emotionally present and available outside. I always have issues with women fighting women that are dating their husband. Take your issue with the man that went to propose or went to toast that woman. My husband is not like this. Until Ojuabe, you are ready to fight. What about Okugbe? Tí wà tó Ojuabe bá para yín, ọkọ yẹn ṣì máa fẹ́ yàwó mi. No that and no peace. That man doesn't want you anymore. Ìyẹn ìyàwó ilé tó gbé gbogbo ẹjọ́ wá. Ó ní mo sọ pé tèmi bá analyze ẹ̀, ó máa dùn everybody. But the truth has to be said. Somebody has to say it. And trust me, Eleya Temo, I will always say it. Ojuabe doesn't force her way on that man. The man came to her. Oh, you are alive. Oh, Tiku now. So why are you fighting Ojuabe? What are you fighting her for? That man is a cheat. He prefers somebody like that to you. He's tired of you. Why are you now bringing Ojuabe? You are still deflecting. These are women. You are still deflecting on the issue of your marriage. Your marriage has crumbled. You have deflected. If your marriage has crumbled, I'm not siding Ojuabe. Don't get it twisted. Bojú ẹ̀jẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n ló máa ń drag àwọn obìnrin tó bá gbàyàwó ọkọ. Bojú ẹ̀jẹ̀ síbẹ̀. But the truth has to be said. Marriage ẹ ti fọ́. You are fighting the woman. What about that your marriage? Ìwọ àti Ojuabe tẹ́jọ́ kò síjà tẹ́jọ́ ń jà. That man is already fucking somebody else. Either Ojuabe or not, the man doesn't want you anymore. The man doesn't like you anymore. The man will still fuck somebody else. So pick your problem with that man. To basically, you know the type of man you marry before you marry him. You know he's a community prick. Bó ṣe rí nìyẹn. He's a community prick. This one don't fair for I will kill myself. To wa pare oku gbe. O to wa fún wọn láyè láti fẹ́ Ojuabe ni. Most men are community prick. Not just that. No. So I always have a problem with women that are fighting other women. You pick your phone and be calling other women. Ha, mashele fwe. And from a quiet boy, buy wala ti lokoja. Nobody cares. Ọkọ ẹ̀ sì máa dọ́ ẹ lómi. So everybody tí ọkọ ẹ̀ bá ti dó báyìí ló máa pè pé you are from Akwa Ibom. Are you mad? Just sọ pé Ojuabe nìkan lọ́kọ ẹ̀ ń dó ni. You let the problem. You face another person. That man is fucking you, fucking Ojuabe, fucking another person. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. But for the fact that you don't see whatever your husband is doing as wrong, that is where you have a problem, Madam Akwa Ibom. If you don't see that the problem is from your home, the problem is from your husband, you let your husband out of it, you dey drag the woman. Madam Akwa Ibom, you are the problem. Is it the first time your husband is cheating? This has broken my marriage. Joshua Kawa no Ojuabe fún ẹni. Oko ti wọ òbò wọ́n ti dóra wọn kí ni ká wá ṣe sí? Ṣó ṣe gbà padà ni? Ṣá lè rewind ẹ̀ padà ni? Wọ́n ti dóra wọn, wọ́n ti jẹ́ṣẹ́ ara wọn. Is it that you move on or you get out? If you cannot take the smoke, get out of the kitchen. I will show her I'm from Akwa Ibom. I will deal with her. She said she took my husband for IVF. Your husband is not a bumu. He's not a Down syndrome man. He's not a retard. He knows exactly what he was doing. So why are you here trying to whitewash your husband as if Ojuabe did everything and force herself on him? Are you mad? Bó ṣe ń fún ọkùnrin pass, you are giving this man a pass, you are giving this man a pass, you are giving this man a pass. At the end of the day, it's still going to fuck somebody else. Either Ojuabe or not, it's still going to fuck somebody else. Why are you always like, let men take accountability for whatever they do. Why are you even paying? Do you want the man or you don't want him anymore? Has he apologized to you that he's not going to do that anymore? If he has, why do you have to come out again? Is he still dating Ojuabe or not? If he's not, what do you have against Ojuabe again? Wọ́n ní báwo ni marriage ẹ̀ ń sìn. Òun sọ fún wa pé marriage ẹ̀ o. Marriage ẹ̀ o. Ó ṣe báyìí o. Ó ṣe tọ̀hún o. Tó bá ti rántí. Ó ní mo béèrè question kan lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. What if it wasn't Ojuabe? My dear, orí ẹ̀ ti fọ́. Àwọn olùfẹ́ máa búbù. Orí ẹ̀ ti fọ́. What if it wasn't Ojuabe? That's as simple as that. Wàgbọ́n wá sórí social media wà máa kígbe. Only yeah, you cannot accept a woman older than you to come and do polygamy in your house. Let me tell you something. Bó ṣe young tó. Wo àwọn tó dàgbà jù, the older the wine, the older the grapes, the sweeter the wine. Àbá ọ̀nà ṣe máa ń pa kìnìyàn. Àwọn gangan ló foyín sí tó fàtò sí jù. Wọ́n á rán ọkọ ẹ̀ ní ìrùnkù. Is this how you behave in your husband's house? Your husband has come back, but it's not the same thing. Get out, divorce him. She won't force Benny. Go, let somebody else come in. If you cannot take the heat, get out of the kitchen. He fucked. He cheats. So what the fuck is the problem? Are you moving on or are you staying there? Wọ́n ní kẹ́ sọ́ọ́lẹ̀ ẹni ẹ̀rọ bẹ̀jẹ̀bẹ̀jẹ̀ wà ń bẹ̀. Wọ́n ní kẹ́ jẹ́ ẹni egun ni ẹ sọ́ọ́lẹ̀ ẹ̀rọ bẹ̀jẹ̀. Kí ló fẹ́ gangan? I don't understand. The deal is done. So what the fuck again? Ojuabe cheated on your fucked your husband. So I'm going to bring her down. You are mad. Ọlọ́run tó bá jẹ́ mi ni. Màá tún dó ọkọ ẹ̀. Màá dó lójú ẹ̀. It go shock you. Àwọn kankan wà òkè wọn fi ilé rí o. I go fuck that your man again for your face. He go take me for wo ẹ jẹ́ ṣọ́ra yín. Ẹ jẹ́ ṣọ́ra wèrè ní mi o. Ọlọ́run ló ní ká réyàn tó so wá mọ́lẹ̀. Ìjà ẹ̀ ò ní dúró. Inú ilé mi ló máa sùn. Ó yá wá ṣèfẹ́nu ẹ̀. ó yá fi hàn mí pọ́ ọmọ àkàmá sọ fún ẹ pọ́ ọmọ Yorùbá ni mí ó yá wèrè ni. Face your marriage and leave the woman out there. Your marriage crumbled because of you. You are always deflecting. The man is the problem. Why are you deflecting to meet somebody outside? Why would I do that? In fact, go second wife got me on the badger because it's the man's decision. Why are you pampering the man? You are saving the man. You are attacking the side chick. Are you mad? Èèyàn tó gbé okó ẹ̀ tó gbé pọ́nrán ẹ̀ lọ bá Ojuabe. Ṣé Ojuabe ló lọ tó ṣe ẹ̀mọ́ ẹ nínú ilé ni? Let's be frank o. Only most of all, for you to even make a threat, you go fẹ́ para ẹ̀, Ọlọ́run máa dó ọkọ ẹ̀ yẹn lé again. Máa ṣọdó ni kì í ṣe pé kíní. Máa ra ìdí ẹ̀ báyìí máa dẹ́ fídíò ara wa pé òun ní ó yá wá kú. Ó yá wèrè ni. You are from Akwa Ibom. My dear ọmọ Yorùbá ni mí. Are you mad? Take your husband kó o so mọ́lẹ̀ tó bá mọ̀ kó o fẹ́ kó dóbò ń ta. That is the only alternative. Castrate wèrè ẹ̀ dànù. Tó bá mọ̀ kó o fẹ́ jẹ́ kó dóbò ń ta lọ castrate ẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin wèrè òṣì. Wọ́n jáde wọ́n gbọ́kọ mi o wọ́n gbọ́kọ mi o wọ́n ṣe kíní kan wọ́n tó ọkọ mi o ọkọ mi gbá àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ lọ sí school ó sọ pé ọkọ mi promise òun marriage. Ọkùnrin promise obìnrin marriage ìwọ jókòó síbẹ̀ ọkọ ẹni kì í ṣọkọ ẹ̀. That man is not your husband. He's tired of you. That's why he's looking for another puna outside. And if he's willing to marry Ojuabe, ayé ẹ̀ ti bàjẹ́ ní. Face your marriage. If you and your husband tó bá ti bẹ̀ tó ti apologize and you want to continue, it's your choice. If you and your husband you don't want to continue, oh dẹ̀ máa lọ. Jẹ́ kó Ojuabe kúkú fẹ́ now. You don't want to leave the man, you still want to fight Ojuabe. Which way now? One of the two, lo máa mú now. Is that you are with the man and forget Ojuabe, or you face Ojuabe and you forget the man? Ojuabe kúkú máa do. You know that you want to face the two of them. Anyway, you guys don't even understand what they call marriage. Wàá gbójú ni, wàá gbalé sí agbójú. Àwọn ọkọ wà tó jẹ́ pé wàá gbalé sí agbójú. Ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀, we cannot reverse it now. It has happened. Kíní ti wọ kíní, wọ́n ti gúnra wọn. Kí la wá fẹ́ ṣe? Wọ́n lóògùn fọkọ ẹ̀. Kí ni ọkọ dàda ń títí wò bí bọ̀dá nǹkan ṣe rí? Ẹ wò sá, ẹ mú ìyàwó yín wọlé o. Ẹ sọ ìyàwó yín mọ́lẹ̀ o. Torí tá bá gbé yín fà, ẹ̀yin àti ìyàwó yín, ojú yín máa dẹ́tì lórí social media yín. And ẹ̀yin blogger náà, Ojuabe, ìwọ bọ́ sí bíbá. Àṣèrè ni ẹ. Ọlọ́run, onídọ̀tí ni ẹ. Onídọ̀tí ni ẹ. Olóbò ten couple. Ṣé rí àwọn obìnrin tó bá ní fine face yẹn, tó ní baby face yẹn, wọ́n ń lọ́pọlọ. At this your age, pẹ̀lú bó ṣe ti bímọ tán, kọ́ sì máa fi òbò ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ sí lórí social media, ó dé ọkọ ọlọ́kọ. Tẹ́ bá fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan ìdọ̀tí, ṣe sọ́nà jíjìn. One problem I don't understand about you people is that you are fucking the people you meet online. Abojú báyìí wọn ò jẹ́ ká gbádùn. Tó bá yẹ pé a ṣí ojú ni Ọlọ́run mímí àti fẹ́ bọ̀. You people are fucking the. Tẹ́ bá fẹ́ dóko, ẹ dóko sọ́nà jíjìn níbi tó ń ti ní mọ̀yìn. Ìwọ tó ń ṣe content pé wọ́n ń gbọ́kọ, ìwọ kọ́ ni tún yẹ kó tún báǹdì pé wọ́n tún gbọ́kọ èèyàn. Make it make sense. And what's with the acid of a thing tí mo gbọ́ tó sọ pé kó máa wá address ọmọ ọlọ́mọ jáde? Ìyẹn tún lọ fà o. Èmi fẹ́ believe pé that's not true because that's some serious allegation. No? That is wickedness of the highest order. Close your legs. Ó ti ṣí òbò ẹlẹ̀, ó ti pọ̀ jù. Wá dúró ọmọ tó ti rọ́ jáde ń bẹ̀. Ó kọ́kọ́ ló ní ìṣekúṣe ló wà lójú ẹ̀. Wo age tó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń bímọ. Up till now náà ó sì ń lé okó mú, ó sì ń ra okó mú. Ó sì ń sáré lé rèsì pẹ̀lú okó. Close your legs. Close your legs. bloggers, speakers, TikTokers, especially when the man is coming from social media men, they have wives at home. Tó bá ti lè jẹ́ speaker, tó wá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń dúró ẹ lórí social media, òbò ẹ máa cast o. Tó bá ti lè ń dó silent watcher, òbò ẹ máa cast o. Ẹ̀sìn ẹ máa cast o. Ṣẹ́rí ní Wọlé Sùn 2026, Ojuabe Sesin. Close your legs. Stop all this people. Mo push you while reaction pọ̀. When you are twisting, it's sending a wrong message. Yes, wọ́n máa dàbò ẹ, but bí èrà tó bo ṣúgà ni. Kò sílẹ̀ tó lálùbáríkà nù wọn. Are you looking for men or are you looking for men? The real men don't appreciate women that are twisting and lying and shaking on social media. They appreciate women that sit and speak facts. You have to respect yourself before they respect you. If not, how will that nuisance? If you have not been twisting and be kejekini and you are very selective, number one, the first question to my parent is, do you have a wife? Tó bá sọ pé òun ní wife, léwèrè dànù. Tó bá sọ pé òun ní wife, kọ́kọ́ bílẹ̀ bí 20 million, 50 million. Tí ò bá ti lè san, lé dànù. So that by the time tó bá ti ń ṣẹ̀sìn, wàá mọ̀ pé ó ti gbowó ẹ̀sìn ẹ̀. Mo fún yín tactics ni o. Ojuabe ò tí jèrè anything lára man tó wá fi ṣẹ̀sìn yín o. You people don't understand the game. Torí pé o pretty doesn't mean that you should not use your sense. Don't date married men. As simple as that. As a blogger that speaks about wọ́n já ọkọ gbà, wọ́n já ọkọ gbà. You too. Kí báwo ló ṣe máa ka ẹni dì í pé ọkọ ọlọ́kọ nìwọ náà ló ń já gbà. Ẹ̀sìn ni. Tó bá tẹ̀ máa ka ẹ bẹ́ẹ̀, you should be well paid, my dear. So that by the time tó bá fẹ́ ṣẹ̀sìn, wàá máa ka owó ẹ̀ pé okay, kò sí wàhálà. Ní ṣerú ẹ̀ mọ́. First question, are you married? Yes or no? I'm in between. My wife and I fight. I like you. I don't like her again. My dear, you are married. Àwọn ọkùnrin ò kì í jẹ́wọ́ pé àwọn are married. Any option tó bá ti gbé fún ẹ that involve another woman. Ṣó o ti marry, number one. Ṣó o ti bímọ? Do you have a baby mama? Of course, at that age, of course, they will be. Are you divorced? Send me a copy of your divorce, Kenny. Is your divorce finalized? After all that, okay, no problem. Tó bá ti wà divorce, tí ò sí yàwó. Ó lè máa tọ́jú àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀, kò sí wàhálà. But you have to know all that. Ọmọ mélòó ló bí? Ibo náà wà? Are they with you? Are they not with you? What are the plans? Do you want to marry me? Do you ṣé ká máa jẹ ṣé ara wa ni? Do you want, ká kàn máa gbádùn ara wa? Ṣé o lówó? Ó yá jẹ́ kí jẹ́ kọ́kọ́ transfer bí 20M, 50M ò sí bí báyìí because mi ò bó lóṣìṣẹ́. Tí o bá ti ní léwèrè sọnù, ẹ̀sìn ló máa kó wá. Ó ní mo sọ pé at the end of the day, torí ọkùnrin tó fi ṣẹ̀sìn báyìí, ó jèrè anything. Pin yóò rí mú bọ̀ ń bẹ̀. Sometimes if you have a pretty face, jẹ́ kí ọpọlọ ẹ gan pretty. And you have to understand one thing on this social media. Everybody in there are money. So you can't date men off of social media. Wọ́n máa bá tiẹ̀ jẹ́ ni. Kò sí history kẹ́lọ́wọ́ gba àwọn speaker. When you date a man from social media, it doesn't end well, especially as a speaker. It doesn't always end well. Most of that is dirtiness now. Or fine, the fame got to your head, Abby. The fame got to your head. I'm so sorry. Shara, má sunkún púpọ̀ o, má dẹ̀ jẹ́ kó dùn ẹ́ púpọ̀. A máa ṣọdún ayọ̀, àtẹ̀sí ṣọdún ayọ̀ pẹ̀lú show tẹ̀ fún wa. Show of shame yín. Àtútù ṣọdún ayọ̀ ni. But it's okay. Oh, máa ṣẹlẹ̀ now. You get over it with time. Time will heal everyone. but at the same time tó bá tún lọ gbogbo ẹ̀ fún another marry wọ́n á tún fi ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ sínú mọ nǹkan tó fẹ́ dò in fact lójú níbi tó wà ní síbà lo dídò more than real thing o kanra mọ́ dídò ẹ o pẹ̀lú òtútù burúkú tó ń mú ẹ. That's just it. Leave married men out of it, and if you know that ó jẹṣẹ́ kú owó gidi ní ọwọ́ ẹ̀ so that wọ́n bá fẹ́ fi ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ sí wàá lè compensate méjèèjì pé owó ọ̀tẹ̀ náà oye tí mo make látara ẹ̀ wàá gbà lẹ́ẹ̀kan ni ò kì í ṣe pé wàá máa yín fún ẹ o torí ẹ̀sìn yẹn wọn ò ní ẹ̀sìn fún yàn ẹ̀ẹ̀kan ní òdẹ mo gbà tẹ́sí máa jáde so wàá kọ́kọ́ gbowó yẹn lẹ́ẹ̀kan. As simple as that. If you don't have, get the fuck. Mi ò lè wá ṣẹ̀sìn torí anybody. Block wèrè dànù. Ojuabe pẹ̀lẹ́ má jẹ́ ó dé bólúgbọ́n mu mọ́ra ó ti dé bá rẹ̀ sà ní. It is well. That's that for that. Akim ọkọ single mother. Number one, I really love Akim. I don't know why. Akim is cool. I don't know why everybody is always fighting Akim, but he talks too much. Akim, you talk too much. Sherry problem tí mo sọ tó bá tí kíní ìbá lè ṣẹlẹ̀ sójú abẹ́ látọ̀dọ̀ ẹ̀. One problem is going on. One problem ni pé you cannot keep a secret with Akim. Àṣírí ẹ̀ máa tú ni. Akim talks too much. And tó bá switch Akim, he doesn't understand. Tí bá ń bẹ ẹja sí tó fàṣírí sí mi lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ò ní. Mi ò ní sọ. Ká dé máa jà báyìí ká máa búra wa báyìí ò ní gbọ́ lẹ́nu. That's one thing. Kì í ṣe gbogbo èèyàn ló ní kíní ẹ̀ lára. Your secrets are always filled with me. Even if you say my own, I'll still keep your own. I'll just be looking at you. And nǹkan kan tí mo mọ̀ ṣe jù. Tí ọ̀rọ̀ bá ti tẹ èmi àti ọ̀pọ̀, mi ò tẹ́ kí n sọ̀rọ̀. And I think that thing máa ń bí ọ̀nà ju tó bá tún sọ̀rọ̀ lọ. I'll just be looking. Màá jẹ́ kó pàtó ọwọ́ ẹ̀. Màá jẹ́ kó express gbogbo ara ẹ̀. Sọ nǹkan tó bá wù ẹ́. Ìwọ ló máa calm down. I'll just be looking at you. Kì í ṣe tójó. I'm manipulating you psychologically. Oh, money. Mo fẹ́ kó dá tọwọ́ ẹ̀ lẹ́nu. Àbí ẹ máa rò pé kò sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu ẹlẹ́ àti ọ̀rọ̀ wá o. Ọ̀rọ̀ ẹyọ kan péré tí bá sọ sí ẹ, wàá ké for the next 1 year lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn. But mo fẹ́ kó dá, I will look at you and I will slightly manipulate the reality while looking at you. Then you question yourself, pé what is wrong with me? Akim, kì í ṣe gbogbo aṣọ là ń sá lórùn. You talk too much. Tó bá ń bínú kí gbogbo ẹ̀ bàjẹ́ tẹ́yìn méjèèjì jọ ń ṣe. Tí gbogbo ẹ̀ bá fẹ́ bàjẹ́ kí ó bàjẹ́. Kí gbogbo ẹ̀ bàjẹ́ kí ó bàjẹ́. Kí gbogbo ẹ̀ ṣe kíní kan. You don't need that. Ṣé o mọ̀ pé if things like this are happening, jẹ́ n sọ kíní kan fún ẹ, ó máa affect ẹ. Ó máa affect ẹ. Àwọn kan wà gbójú ni. Èèyàn tèmi lélẹ̀. That's why I'm like, ṣé mọ̀ pé prior to this time, mo sọ kíní kan pé èmi máa stay off of social media people because these people don't even know how to people. Peopling. They don't know how to people. Well, more pushing. There are some boundaries you don't cross. There are some things you don't do as a person to react. But these people don't understand that thing. They don't. They don't. When somebody is in your ọmọ tọ́rọ̀ bá pààyàn pọ̀ báyìí àbí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn fẹ́ ṣe bí kíní wàá close wàá díjú tán ni ẹ ti bára yín rìn ẹ ti wọnú ara náà. Tẹ́ bá fẹ́ jà you fight off camera. You will never fight on camera. Tọ́rọ̀ mo sọ pé this better be a skit. Ǹjẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ is the two of you that are going down. Ben, you fight yourself behind camera. Ojuabe, you did this thing for me. Kiniko. You don't bring it to social media. But as Akim máa ṣe bí ọmọ kékeré. Bueno, ẹ̀yin méjèèjì. Ìyẹ́wé ti sọ kiniko, ìyẹ́wé sọ pé ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà lórí tí Johnny just come ní tí you understand depth of social media. torí ẹ̀ lè ṣe èmi mi ò ní gbá o, èmi mi ní ṣe kíní kan. If you understand the depth of social media ọmọ, you go pepi ọjọ́ ń bọ̀ lolúwa wí, no be now o, no be now o, ẹ máa pepi gan. wọ́n yín méjèèjì ẹ máa wà okay eventually. èmi ò lè side anybody láàrin yàn torí oníkálukú ló ní wẹ̀, oníkálukú ló ní lọ́wọ́. But I like the two of you. But mo like ẹ̀sìn tẹ́jọ́ ń ṣe yìí o, kí ló fi ń ṣe yàn? Ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ sí díẹ̀ fún wa ní drama díẹ̀, gbogbo ẹ̀kọ́ dà lórí social media. And Ṣọlá pé, how are you associating this with your life? I mean, báwo ló ṣe máa ń squeeze ara ẹ into every situation no? Because this has literally nothing to do with you, but you go squeeze yourself bí aṣọ tútù, wàá fún ara ẹ mọ́ ibi tó belong. Wàá wá òkè náà eventually. How was your Christmas? Mo tún rí ẹ lánàá ọjọ́ kérésì tó ń kanra mọ́ sales. Ìgbà tó fi gbogbo yẹ́ ẹ̀ ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó tó gbàgbé láti tajà. Ó dọjọ́ kérésì ló tún ṣe discount. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, ẹ jẹ́ a máa lọ. Kò jẹ́ bó ṣe jẹ́ jàre. Let me know what you guys feel about this video down below. God bless you. Oríṣiríṣi wèrè ló wà online. Have a wonderful day. Bye.